Some of you guys might not know me, FlipmodeFPV. For 2 years, I left the streets and been in FPV, saved my life. I'm tired of getting beat. Southeast Regional Final, got 18th place. Who looks like last place? So I've been racing every day since before that, and after that, we're on day 65 now. I put DVR out every day, every track. Get at me. I'm the perfect example of the grassroots. I go and I race every day, Monday through Friday, behind a baseball field and set up the track with pool noodles and PVC, and then I'll go race on the weekend if there's one. If not, I'll build another track myself. Been going for 65 days straight. The plan is to go over 90 until nationals. That's a lot of flying.
What's up, dude?
Yo, what's up, bud?
How's it going?
How's everything?
Good.
Dude, I got called up to the big leagues. I want to thank you for all your help and your input on this 65-day training journey that I put in.
No problem.
You're gonna see yourself on the news tomorrow, man, my word.
Alright, sounds good. That's awesome.
I'm gonna need you this weekend. I'm gonna hit you up for some more help on my lines.
Alright, sounds good to me.
Alright, thanks, buddy. I'm gonna let you go.
Anytime.
It's my turn to shine now.
Yes, sir.
Thanks, man.